Hey guys, my name is Daniel Hirschhorn, and today I'm going to be doing a screencast. This is my first screencast. This is for my LTLE 370 class. We'll be going over three learning theories: constructivism, cognitive load theory of multimedia, and then cognitive theory of multimedia. So, for the first theory, constructivism is a paradigm of or world posits that learning in an active constructive process. The learner is an informational constructor. People actively construct or create their own subjective representations of objective reality. New information is linked to prior knowledge, thus mental representations are subjective. And then we can see some key contributors, key concepts. You should really check this website out, guys. It's very good. The next theory is cognitive load theory of multimedia learning. Summary. Here we go. A theory that focuses the load on working memory during instruction. Okay. So then there's a lot of stuff. John Swallow describes the human cognitive architect and the need to apply sound instructional design principles based on our knowledge of the brain and memory. And then the cognitive theory of multimedia. Cognitive theory of multimedia learning is based on three main assumptions. There are two separate channels, auditory and visual, for processing information. There are limited channel capacity, and that learning is an active process of filtering, selection, organizing, and integrating information. So that's a quick little demo of how I'm using screencasts with these theories. Thank you guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.